So today we are going to look at how you can use AI agents to read a document, a PDF document, be able to extract the information that is in a PDF document, and maybe probably after that you can decide what you're going to do with that information, be it loading it in Google Drive, be it just sending it via email to someone. But the point is, we are developing an agent whereby if you feed it a PDF document, it should be able to extract that information from the PDF document and then give you the output that you can decide on how you are going to use it. So this is our final step, guys. So this is how our final step will be, guys. So this is an agent, and once you click execute workflow, first of all, let me unpin all the data that I had pinned so that you can see how it works. Pinning actually ensures that you keep data, but since you want to execute it from the start to the end, I'm going to now execute. So once I do that, it will prompt me to upload a document. So I'm going to choose that document that I'm going to upload. I'm going to upload this document, this Discover Large PDF. So when I upload and submit, you should see the process taking place. So you see, it's now reading, getting the information, extracting the information, and then it says workflow executed successfully. So, and if you open this information extractor, you find that we had requested a title for the document, and sure enough, we got it. Discover Canada, the rights and responsibilities of citizenship. So guys, this is what we're going to build from scratch, and I ask you to stick around so that you can build this AI agent one step after the other. Welcome.